So I'm gonna try to get enough watch hours. So I'm gonna watch to the end.
Yes, it's finally done. Hello, I am King Kamau, and today, before we get started, I would like you to subscribe to my second channel, King Kamau 2. That will be in the description as well as the comments. Now, over the past few days, I've noticed that most of you guys that are watching are not yet subscribed. If you do not know how to subscribe, it's that red button that you see, red rectangular button that you see under this video. And also remember to turn your post notifications to all, so that way you will always be one of the first to watch a new upcoming video. Remember to like and comment. Most of you guys that are watching don't know how great a one like and one comment can be on this channel, and your comment or like will motivate me to push and bring more videos to you guys, just to let you know. Now, as you see by the title, I am going to be attempting to beat Usain Bolt's 100-meter world record, 9.58 seconds. Now, this is just an introduction of what you should know, but everything else in the video will explain. Take it away, kiddo.
Yo! You too live.
Who
3 second timer. I need go pan 3 seconds.
Yeah! Yeah, so fast, bro. No, man. I don't believe you run so fast. 3 seconds. Maybe what record?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo!
Oh, God. I'm gonna open up my phone and see the video. Look here. Here.
Paul ist der schnellste aus den Blöcken. Jetzt kommt er. Und jetzt ist Usain Bolt nicht zu halten. Nein, er gewinnt. 9,58 Weltrekord.
Yo!
You can't run so fast.
No!
You sure?
No.
You can't run so fast?
No.
So we're gonna try today. Alright, you ready to beat the record? Cause we need to know.
Me have a time, I go set it right and
Have timer? Alright. So, I camera this. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, we're out here. As you can see, we're outside. And right now, today, we're going to be attempting to break the big man himself, Usain Bolt, the world record. So his world record is 9.58 seconds. Do you think we can do it?
No!
Alright, good. So we need to wait right now. So this is not a full 100 meter, but this is like a 50 meter. So what we are going to be doing today, we're going to run as we start, run, and when we reach the finish line, we're going to double the time that we get. And if it's below 9.5, you have to automatically beat him record. And yeah, so have a kind. So let's go.
gone. for the coins to go flip, like heads or tails. So if we go heads or bet my heads, we're gonna see who we're gonna start first. So I think so we're gonna start from right to so go up this one. See I'm gonna double the time. So we can come back right now.
So I use this kind until what go first? Heads or tail?
Heads.
So tail. Alright. So I am going to be the one who's going first. Yeah, if you press this, remember. That was animal get it go.
People are gonna set on your mark, get set, go, and I'm going to start the timer.
Let's get started.
On your mark. On your mark. Get set. Go. Six, seven. Let me see. Deal 14. Go next.
6 seconds.
Hot people. 6
Six.
seconds.
6.
Double that at 4.
6.56. Automatically no.
I mean 12.
Get set. Go. Boom. 7 seconds. Fast are you? 7 seconds on that. 110. Yo. How you say boy beat this? The man literally run like 9 seconds in 100 meters. And we can't even run less than 6 seconds in our 50 meters. 3 turns.
You man say a 3 turn and the first turn. We foot them up on me already. Go. Ah! 7 seconds. Yeah.
7.21. Tired. Sorry to beat. Need a whole more practice. Wait. Ready? Go. Hold on this time again.
How much second?
7.87.
So I'm gonna try to get enough watch hours. So I'm gonna watch to the end. So we just need the support for now. Are you ready? Right. On your mark. Get set. Go. 6 seconds. Good job. My turn.
Your turn. I just see point no maga man. Come. Ganju. What?
Tighten up them a little bit. Bro.
On your marks. Set. Go.
I run fast again. I'm a two down. Boom!
8.56 seconds.
Last. Ito life.
Wala
3 second timer. Ano go pan 3 second.
Yeah, yeah, so fast, bro. No, man. I don't believe we run so fast. 3 seconds. Maybe what record?
Last year.
Nah.
She must start to when we do right there.
Nah.
No,
Nah, I don't think so.
I want to look at this one. I want to reach right, which part that three, but that's two.
I'm gonna reach right just in 3 seconds.
Yes.
Yo!
No, man, me not believe someone just beat the man record a while ago. Nah, nah.
Wow, did I?
Nah, I don't think so.
Alright.
I think we beat the record. Think so? Nah, I don't think so. I raced again. The first attempt, I got 3 seconds. I attempted to race again and I got over 20 seconds. How is that possible for me to get 20 seconds? Like my whole time competing and racing, I have never got not even 9 seconds doing this. So that made me realize that all the time I was racing, it was not accurate. If you want to see me attempt run trying to beat Usain Bolt's 900-meter world record and an official like a track that is more accurate, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification bells on so you never miss it, cause I could do it, you know, so you stay tuned for that. Yeah, remember to subscribe and like the video and drop a comment, if it's even a thumbs up, a smiley face, anything, good job, awesome, anything nice, just comment. And I'm out. See you next time. Team Kangaroo, I'm out.
General, when you touch your road, me, I'm an empress, I'm a brother, then you're rolling strange. Earth pretty like an emerald, and 1 pound, several in the chalice, but we talk no Babylon to the vapor. Tell her them you're ready for the energy, we bringing every style of them, I follow, yes, how we are the maker. Spending like I run, I think I Bolton, we come here, remember every day of summer when you're there at Jamaica. Hold on,